Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Market Reviews, where we review the best products to help you live your healthiest and happiest life. Today, we've got an absolute game changer for muscle recovery and pain relief, the TOLOCO Massage Gun. Whether you're an athlete looking to soothe those sore muscles or someone who just needs a little TLC after a long day, this deep tissue massage gun is here to save the day. And guess what? You can grab this incredible tool right now from Amazon. The link is in the description below, so don't miss out. This sleek and lightweight device weighs just under 2 pounds, but don't let its size fool you. It packs a serious punch with 12 millimeters penetration depth and speeds of up to 3,200 RPM. It's built for whole-body use and comes with a silent brushless motor, making it one of the quietest massage guns out there. Now, let's talk about what makes the TOLOCO Massage Gun stand out from the competition. Key features: quick pain relief. This isn't just any massage gun. With its high-power motor and precision design, it provides targeted relief for muscle fatigue and soreness, helping you bounce back faster after workouts or long hours at work. Long battery life. It runs for up to 6 hours on a single charge, and with the USB charging cable, you can power it up anywhere, whether at home, the gym, or even your office. 10 professional massage heads. Customizability at its finest. From your back and neck to your legs and arms, these replaceable heads are designed to cater to every muscle group. They're also super easy to clean and swap out. Quiet operation. At just 40 to 50 dB, you can enjoy a peaceful massage without disturbing anyone around you. Perfect for late-night sessions or a quick break at work. Smart LED touchscreen. The intelligent LED touchscreen lets you adjust speed levels and monitor battery life with ease. Plus, the futuristic flowing light design gives it a tech-savvy vibe. Adjustable speed levels. From light relaxation to deep tissue therapy, the TOLOCO Massage Gun offers multiple speed levels to match your unique recovery needs. Perfect for gifting. Looking for a thoughtful gift? The TOLOCO Massage Gun is ideal for Christmas, Mother's or Father's Day, or just about any special occasion. Trust me, your loved ones will thank you. Personal experience. I've been using the TOLOCO Massage Gun for a week now, and it's honestly been a lifesaver. I love how easy it is to use, and the multiple attachments make it super versatile. My favorite part? The quiet motor. I can use it while watching TV without turning up the volume. So what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to muscle soreness and hello to relaxation with the TOLOCO Massage Gun. Click the link in the description below to grab yours on Amazon today. Trust me, your body will thank you. And if you've used this product before, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a review. See you next time. Click below to buy your TOLOCO Massage Gun on Amazon.